Hi, welcome to my bridge channel. So I've been playing bridge for over 30 years. I'm considered to be an expert bridge player. I also do some teaching as well. I teach online and offline. So if you're interested in that, then don't hesitate to contact me. So mainly I commentate on the hands that I play, and these can be in teams or match pointed tournaments or free day-long tournaments that feature on BBO. So the main ones are league matches where I play in the EBU Lockdown League, which covers 8 boards a session. And sometimes I'm playing in them, and so I'll commentate on them while I'm playing them. Others, I will commentate on my teammates or other teams that I'm watching, let's say. And sometimes I'll have two games going on at once and commentate on both of them at the same time, where I can compare. And that's very interesting if you're interested in teams. If you're not used to teams, then have a look at those, check them out, because I think you'll find them interesting. I also cover sort of day-long free tournaments on BBO, where I usually play sort of 8 or 10 boards, or I think sometimes 6. And I'm also might do challenges against friends, and I'll commentate on them. I've also done analysis of various hands. So if certain hands come up, I like to analyze them and go over them and maybe discuss how I could have played something better, or particular features of a particular hand that might emphasize some sort of strategy in bridge, like an end play, a squeeze play, or just straightforward plays. Okay, like a finesse and things like that, and breaks of suits, that kind of thing. So there's about 400 videos on there, so there's lots to go at. So why not take a look around, subscribe to my channel. I think you might find it of interest, and don't be afraid to contact me. I'm here to answer questions. If you've got any questions, or you want to ask any advice on a particular hand, whether I should play it this way or bid it this way, or whatever, then don't hesitate to contact me. Okay, so have a look around the channel. Hope you enjoy your stay here. Thanks for listening.